What's up guys, this is Pro Wolf Trader. Today is 31st December, the last day of 2024, the last day. So let's go, make some money together. So it's been like 5-6 months that I started streaming and it's been a nice journey. So I'm not gonna take long. I'm gonna thank all my subscribers and all the people who are a part of this community. And together we achieved a lot this year. 2024 goals got achieved. We grew as a community and we just not only grew, we made money, we made profits live on a stream. Either you are in a free Telegram community or a paid one, we made money, we made history, and everything is recorded live. So yes, I'm proud of you guys and myself. And looking forward to 2025 with a lot of, positivity and energy. Let's wake up the neighborhood. Before I go on, yes, today's stream is gonna be longer. It's gonna be a New Year stream. We might see a lot of stuff happening. And to begin with the stream, please like and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with whenever I post any video or go online. So without wasting any time, let's move on and start doing our analysis. So today, by the way, is the most important day. A lot of people, they don't realize that it's just not a normal day. It's the last day of 2024 probably. I'm gonna be streaming gold related and Bitcoin related scalps. And on Bitcoin, I can definitely say that we can see a New Year rally. Even on gold, both gold and Bitcoin can rally. Also, there's a huge potential that we might see all-time high. Yes, anything can happen. There's possibility. But you have to factor in all the things that can happen. Today is the last day, okay? So the perma bull guys, they're gonna come in, they can pump the market. I'm gonna strictly focus crypto today because crypto has been profitable, has been providing me more consistent profits than gold. So before I move on, I have to break down of what has happened in the last 24 hours. Then I'm gonna move on to this week's goals. Yesterday there was no such high impact news. Even today there market, in some countries there's holiday. On Wednesday there is New Year's holiday. Tomorrow the market is off, but crypto will be tradable on specific brokers. So afterwards, on Thursday, we have unemployment claims in a New York session, and then we have the last day of the week, which on Friday we have ISM. So we have to, and also keep in mind that on Wednesday, when there is bank holidays, followed up by Thursday, and then on Friday we have Bank of Japan. They have holiday. So right now, even on if you are trading yen, you have to keep an eye on the Japan 225. If you are somebody who's trading yen, who's trading Euro JPY, GBP JPY, probably you have to keep an eye on Japan 225. If this thing is falling, that means yen is gonna rally. If this thing goes up, you might have to consider the other way around. Okay, so in the last 24 hours, we saw the price of Bitcoin significantly drop down, and it's been clustering around this zone for quite some long time. But given that the price rejected yesterday, and a past couple after the rejection in New York session, even in the Tokyo session, we saw price, making towards the Fibonacci golden zone. Since I already said that my stream will be mostly focused on educational content, and I will be teaching how to utilize Fibonacci tool in order for you to take an entry, to place your stop losses, and even put your take profits, and how to manage your trades. So once we saw that the rejection is in place, followed up by divergence. Yes, you see these lines, this is divergence over here. We saw hidden bullish divergence, then it was followed up by a normal bullish divergence, and after nearly getting rejected not just once but thrice over here around 91 to 92,000, we are seeing a minor retracement. If price is able to break above this zone 94543, the price will most likely go retest the Fibonacci 0.618, which is our next target. Also keep in your mind for the intraday candle for Bitcoin. The intraday candle for Bitcoin yesterday closed in bearish, but today's intraday candle we are expected to close above yesterday's low. And keep also that in the mind that if we saw a rally today, a pump, don't be surprised, because every year around this corner it was not so it was not good for Bitcoin, but this year is not like all the previous years. We saw the price of Bitcoin broke all-time high and on to the 100k and beyond 100k. So we have lots of potential and lots of work to do. And we will try to stay consistently in profits. Then the best way to do around this zone is to factor in that we are receiving a rejection, and afterwards trying to scalp within the direction. Now let's head back to the area where we previously took our trades. Yes, what you see in front of you is a premium signal, and these are premium signals, so we are in our trade, but we can utilize this, that if you have opened your trades around these zones, make sure to take partial profits and move on to the next possible supply zone. Over here, the first supply zone we have around 95,600, and afterwards 97,300. And if price is able to break above these zones, most likely we're gonna see perma bulls coming in and pumping the market towards 100k, which is most likely scenario today, because after getting rejected from 91, we might see price revisit 98 and 100k. So we will plan our trades accordingly around those zones. And don't be surprised today. Expect anything to happen. Yes, it's best not to trade because it's the last trading day. But if you are trading, I realistically recommend you guys to stick with your trading plans, not to do anything crazy. Take it easy, take it small. Alright, no need to rush. And even the gold and Bitcoin, I'll suggest the same, is gonna keep on heading upwards. I will be streaming for the rest of the day. I plan to, if you guys are here with me. Let's try to do this consistently. Also, there will be quizzes, there will be games, and there will also be giveaways today. And today is gonna be a wonderful day. Let's head back to gold. Gold is what gold does. If you have any questions, you can send me the messages on Telegram group. Join the Telegram group for any updates regarding my stream or any upcoming videos. Hold on a second. Okay, let's move in. We have a zone. By the way, I am following Elite Wave. I don't really care what the data comes. As I previously mentioned that there have been times where I was really doubtful about the data because bullish data was sending the gold price down, and bearish data was sending it up. It was more of a sentiment driven rather than data driven. So a lot of people are kind of avoiding to trade for like in the first quarter 2025, given that gold is all-time high in this decade. Never has this happened in like a decade, for more than a decade. So likely this approach of avoiding is unnecessary, because if you are on the wrong path, you can end up just blowing up or having huge losses. Anyways, this is gold path. This is Elite Wave. I've been following Elite Wave last year, the year before that, and the year before that, and if one thing I have learned throughout my trading years is that you can be wrong, but this thing can never be wrong. You can be wrong while trying to figure out which this wave this is, and planning your trades around elite wave. But this thing is mostly an accumulation of human data. What do you say? Data driven by buy and sell based on human emotions. Human beings buy and sell. Hey, what's up, W? Why is your chart very messy? No, I was actually doing the analysis, so my mind was there. I was not avoiding. When I'm doing analysis, I'm focused. It's not messy, bro. It's just some stuff. If you don't see a messy chart, most probably that guy is not a trader. Mostly clean charts are like this. These are all the data. If you wanna look at this, I keep all my records over here. These are all my trades. That is a market session indicator. It's been a busy year. I have all the profits and all the minor losses and everything on the chart. This is like December. December has been really fine. November and December are the two most hardest months to trade. If you can survive November and December, you can survive anything. And by the grace of Almighty, we survived. And this was actually, I was posting signals on Telegram, so I took this screenshot. I forgot to remove this, but I let it be because these can act as a really nice take profit zones for people who are watching the stream. They'll know exactly where to take profits, so I let it be. Because a lot of people, they're watching, they're driving, they're busy. So this is for them. We took profits over here. TP1 and 2 got hit. Then our trades are on break even, but we got away nicely with profits. This is today's Tokyo session. And in Tokyo session, again, we had a simple approach. Nothing heavy, just simple buy on Tokyo start with the stop loss below London low, or mostly like tight stop loss is like $5, and a normal stop loss is basically at $10. What indicators and technique do you use? Basically, the indicators I use depends on what kind of a market we are. For example, the most the two things I use all the time is, first of all, market session, because it's necessary to know in which market you are trading. You cannot trade London the same way you trade Tokyo, and you cannot trade New York the same way you trade London. Every market is different. In every market you trade differently. Asian market is mostly low volume, low volatility, but directional wise, we see high swings, high low. For example, right over here you see the start of Tokyo session, and then you can see a swings upward and downward, higher high, higher low, followed up right now by London. London is mostly sideways, low volatility, low volume, or high volatility, high volume, sideways market. It never breaks anything all time high, in short, support and resistance. So it's like it gives you a range. You can always scalp in London session. Then comes New York session. New York session is the highly volatile and highly preferred and favorite market for new traders, because they mostly trade news and other stuff, which can be highly profitable and highly risky at the same time. And as you can see, this indicator, the name of this indicator is MKT sessions. You can find it up. And the other one is SMC Smart Money Concept, but I don't use that money concept. I just use it to see the demand and the supply zone. You call it demand, supply, or support, resistance. It's the same thing, different names. I've been trading, by the way, for more than a decade, and I have a set of specific indicators which I use for For example, if it's an sideway market, I use a different setup. It's if it's a up in a downtrend market, we seeing a higher high, higher lows. So like there are setups for everything. If one thing doesn't work, you utilize the other thing. And if you wanna learn those things, join my 5th batch, that which is starting from 1st January. The last day is today. Today is the last day to join it. And we have, by the grace of Almighty, 4 consecutive batches, successful batches in which people were not only taught how to trade, they were given trading setups. It was one whole month. Keep in your mind that that was 1 month private trading sessions that were not just focused on teaching you from the grassroots basics, but also teaching you how to trade in different market sessions, how interest rate works, how to trade news. And they were given 5 trading setups specifically designed by me, which I've been using for more than 5-6 years, with given results, proven results. It's not something which is not making profit, it's making profit. Even right now, the trades which I take either on buy or sell scalps or swings, I use them. So if you want them, you can join the 5th batch. The details are in the Telegram group. Otherwise, my stream is enough. Today I will be carrying on with with the lesson of how to use Fibonacci in order to utilize your entry, stop loss, and take profit zones. So right now, let's just remove this unnecessary. Give me 1 minute. If you have any questions, you can ask me up. Please like and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to stay notified whenever I go online or post any new videos or weekly analysis or anything that might interest you. So first of all, this yellow line is yesterday's high and low, and given that Tokyo low is around 2602 and London high is 2617. So we're gonna move from market session to market session. There are several possible outcomes. First possible outcome is that London will just go and retest London low, which is around 2612, and carry on with the sideway momentum. Second possible outcome is London go and retest London open and London low. New York Tokyo open and Tokyo low. If that happens, we have a really nice sell opportunity, which cannot be ignored, given that if you open up Fibonacci retracement, take it from Tokyo low, drag it on till London high, you see we have a zone. Now how to utilize the Fibonacci tool to plan your trades is basically you always take your trades around 0 or 1 line. Never open a buy or a sell in the middle of the trend, because you'll end up 80 or 90% of the time losing your money, because that's most possibly the place where the price is either making a reversal or a retracement. I hope this is clear. If this is clear, mention it up on the chat. Can we sell now? Yes, you can sell now. Given that your stop loss should be around here, always keep your stop loss $5 to $8 away. Nothing heavy, no Rambo shit. Keep it simple. Given I don't know what your equity is, but whatever your equity is, plan accordingly. No heavy shit. And also keep in your mind that this is a sell scalp. Okay, so right now we see that we have a intraday high and intraday low. Intraday high is 2616, intraday low is 2602. Now if you are placing your sell over here, I also opened a sell because we might see that it can either break above or it can break below. Guys, give me a minute. I'm on a call. Just wait 5 minutes.